So, ladies and gentlemen, let's go to the session straight away. It will take approximately 60 minutes to finish the session. Please hold on until you finish the sessions and you will have to make a report on the session also. Maybe approximately 50, 60 minutes. That's what I have planned. And we will be speaking on quality. As you know, what I am sure you know what it is. You know what it is. These are the words from a very famous quality guru. Please, you can read this PowerPoint. Please go through the PowerPoint. In the future, there will be two types of companies only and two types of individuals too. I tell you, those who have implemented quality in their product and service and those who have gone out of their business. Okay, so these are the two types. Okay, survival is not compulsory here. So here, survival is not a compulsory item. So they remember there are only two types of companies, two types of people here: those who have implemented, those who have got quality in their production service, and those who have gone out of their business. Okay, and and this was told by Edward Deming, the quality guru. He is considered to be the quality guru, the person who implemented total quality management in the history of the world. Or you can see when it come to Japanese quality management system, when it come to US quality management system, ask everybody. There are three people who implemented, who started the revolutionizing the quality in the whole world. Total quality management, TQM, ISO certification. You must have seen a lot of certificates, ISO. So when you go to certain companies, you'll see a lot of markings there, a lot of stickers there, a lot of boards there. So all these boards pertaining to ISO certifications. So ISO certifications are generally quality certifications. So this started, our total quality management started with Edward Deming, Philip Crosby, and Joseph M. Juran. So these are the pioneers in quality management. So remember the name Edward Deming. Okay. So we are going to the next one. So the next slide. So the Deming told, say, you need not survive. There will be only two type of companies. One is the people or the companies in implemented quality. Second one is no quality, which means they will not survive. So there is no compulsory compulsion for surviving in the world. So this is what an outline is. What is relevant for you? Quality for the products. Invest in quality. No fringe. Quality is not. There is nothing called freelance. Total quality, individual, and a final conclusion. This is how the outline is. Ladies and gentlemen, listen to it. Please give undivided attention to these PowerPoint slides as well as the statements which I make. Okay. If you are not audible, or if anything is not audible, anything is not visible, please come into the chat box. Okay. So, friends, let's go first. Okay. What is the relevance? Quality is an act, not a habit. Remember this. Quality is not an act, it's a habit. All on a sudden, if you think you are going to be a quality individual, you are going to implement some kind of quality programs in you or inside the company, forget about it. We are living in a fool's paradise. Quality is a habit. 24 hours you are practicing quality. A quality individual, a quality product, a quality professional. It is relevant to you because you are going to be professionals. A professional is somebody who is very paka, very seasoned in that career. So when it comes to professional like doctors, engineers, teachers, trainers, farmers, everybody, it is relevant to everyone. So try to understand, it's relevant to farmers. It is relevant to a milkmaid who is bringing you milk every day. If that person is not bringing milk every day in time, and it is not delivering the good quality milk, etc. A servant coming to your home, again, a newspaper boy coming to your home, again. So quality is relevant to everybody, every individual, and as a consumer. So when it is very important as a consumer, you should think what as a consumer when you go to certain shops, how will you identify the quality? How will you judge what is the meaning of whether it's a quality product or not? Either a null product either a null sevanamano, whether it is a good quality product or a good quality service. How do you know? So this is how it is relevant to us. It is relevant to us. Okay. What is quality? So you can say use your chat box if you think, say what is quality. എന്താണ് ക്വാളിറ്റി നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ആർക്കും തോന്നുന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ so you can write on your chat box. തീർച്ചയായിട്ടും chat box ൽ നമുക്ക് എഴുതാവുന്നതാണ്. Do you have something in chat box? Nothing. You have something in chat box? Yes or no? Nothing is coming. People are not interested to write. Huh? So see, we'll see this. Okay. What does I'll put the question in another word. Okay. What does a quality, the word quality mean to you? നിങ്ങൾക്ക് quality എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ എന്താണ് മനസ്സിലാകുന്നത്? അല്ലെങ്കിൽ when you think about some past experiences, staying at various hotels, going to a particular place, going to a college, going for the purchase of certain products, going for a movie show, ഒരു സിനിമ കണ്ടു കഴിയുമ്പോൾ അതൊരു ക്വാളിറ്റി സിനിമയാണെന്ന് നമുക്ക് ഇങ്ങനെ തോന്നുന്നു. When you go to a hotel, food കഴിക്കുന്നു, when you go to a restaurant or when you go to a hotel and stay there, quality stay ആണെന്ന് തോന്നുന്നു. You go to a resort, quality stay ആണെന്ന് തോന്നുന്നു. You think about a product which you brought or which you bought right now, or maybe a few days back. So this kind of system, so think about a product which you bought back, or how can you define its quality? Okay. How can you define its quality? So think about a product. Say if you have got one word about quality, നിങ്ങൾക്ക് quality കുറിച്ച് ഒരു വാക്ക് ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ, say you can tell me what is actually what chat lower number in chat. I think I saw one. Quality of a product could be the best product in means of convenience, usability, packaging, components, etc. Perfection. So there are two charts scale. Okay, wonderful. I've seen two charts. One chart is from Altaf and another one is from Krishna Prabha. Okay, I really appreciate those two people say who value for money. Okay, Abhi Krishnan has come out with a value for money. So when you see, you think about a product which you bought maybe recently or years back. You are purchasing shoes, you are purchasing computer. So about the value we get, about it could be special attribute. Again, good coming from Anu, from Davis Wilson, from Asia. The trademark is coming. So Mecca is telling which is perfect for us, which is good for us. Okay, quality is the backbone of success. So Adar Shaji is telling. Okay, Venus is telling it's long lasting, durability. Okay, durability. Shruti is telling it is quality is customer satisfaction. It is customer satisfaction. Good, very good. A quality product is measured by how well it satisfies the consumer. Again, Daniel is coming with the answer. Okay, Doyle is coming with the answer. How quality measures the standard of the product. Okay, standard of the product. I am asking you what is the meaning of quality. Suppose I tell you quality is a different. I showed you a picture. Numi and just a picture. So quality is different for different people. And then quality you'll see. A lot of people will be thinking this is totally different. So quality is intangible. So it is a feeling. That is what somebody is telling. Service it's a feeling. And the standard of something, how the level of the offering, that is again quality. It's about perfect community with the reasonable product. It's again another. That means okay. I couldn't recognize the name. A lot of people are coming with their phone. And participant list press so you press on your name. Redmi okay, come with your name. And Alex is again telling certain manufacturing products with certain standards and specifications. Very good. So there are a lot of features, or there are a lot of things which you may require in terms of quality. Okay. So here let us go back again to the slide. Yeah, you must have written, Ashish has written, it's about satisfaction. So many of the people they have written. That's why I told you quality in when you go to a restaurant, quality means a taste of the food, how it is good for taking in. hotel quality the nice bed, the nice room, the facilities in the room, the features in the room. When you purchase a television, clarity of the television and everything. All quality parameters are all different. Quality the quality is finally a satisfaction. Finally a satisfaction. Okay. So these kind of things, everything we will take together. Guarantee, warranty, all these things. Vishal Bharadandali guarantee and Sneha told us it is dependent on competition also. So there again, these are all quality. So let us go to a slide which is the important slide in this particular presentation. This presentation ഏറ്റവും പ്രധാനപ്പെട്ട സ്ലൈഡ് ഏതാണെന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ ഈ ഒരു സ്ലൈഡും വേറൊരു സ്ലൈഡും അങ്ങനെ രണ്ട് സ്ലൈഡുകളിൽ this slide is very important. This slide is very important. This is a model which is suggested by one management guru. ഒരു management guru suggest ചെയ്ത ഒരു മോഡലാണ്. ഈ മോഡലിൽ എന്താണ് ക്വാളിറ്റി എന്നുള്ള വിവരം പറഞ്ഞിട്ടുണ്ട്. Quality എന്താണ് dimensions of quality. So there are different dimensions of quality. One is performance. Product and performance. You are driving a BMW car on ഓടിച്ചോണ്ടിരിക്കുക. And if it is claiming that you can go up to 200 kilometers per hour, നമ്മൾ പെർഫോം ചെയ്യുന്നില്ലെങ്കിൽ അത് മോശമാണ്. എവിടെയായാലും പെർഫോമൻസ് ആണ്. Whether it is a teacher, whether it is a product or a car or a television, പറഞ്ഞിരിക്കുന്ന കാര്യങ്ങൾ what is promised is delivered. നമ്മൾ അവർ ചില കാര്യങ്ങൾ ചില കമ്പനീസ് they will promise it. So this kind of thing, this is what is called promising, or this is what is called performance. Promised items are delivered. Promised items are delivered. വളരെ പ്രധാനപ്പെട്ട ഒരു കാര്യം. So ladies and gentlemen, number one is performance. Number two is reliability. Can you rely on it? Is it like a KSRTC bus? Is it like say Air India? Is it like Indian Railway? Is it like a Toyota? Is it like a Honda? Is it like some other good, say Virgin Atlantic or any other airlines? നമുക്ക് റിലൈ ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുമോ? സമയത്തിന് വണ്ടി പുറപ്പെടുമോ? ട്രെയിൻ 24 മണിക്കൂർ കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ടാണ് പുറപ്പെടുന്നത്. റിലയബിൾ, is it reliable or not? ചിലപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് നാളെ ഇന്റർവ്യൂ ഉണ്ടായിരിക്കും. Tomorrow you have got an interview in Chennai and you have reserved an Indian railway ticket. Train ഉണ്ടാവും സംശയം. It is not 100% reliable. Nowadays things have changed. And say that is what is called reliability. Durability, how long it is lasting. A toothpaste, not at all durable. You can use it one time only. But paste we can apply, it is used. Soap, not durable. They are all called fast moving consumer durable goods. Durability of the product. Toyota, so durability is very, very important. Now coming to serviceability, how it is serviceable. Aesthetics, beauty of the product. Beauty of the product. And certain products, especially go for selecting a dress, select an item, you look at the beauty of the product. Okay. Features, what are the features? And perceived quality and conformance standards. Let's see one by one. And ladies and gentlemen, let your chat box be ready. Chat box will ready. Okay. Questions are coming to you. Get your chat box ready. Chat box ready. Okay. Question number one. This is 3 pictures of Amitabh Bachchan, the legend in Indian film industry. Amitabh Bachchan. Amitabh Bachchan, cinema can you tell me, or in the chat box, can you tell us which are the don't raise your hands, but you can write in the chat box. Amitabh Bachchan അഭിനയിച്ചെന്നാണ് ചോദ്യം. ദീവാർ എന്ന് പറയുന്ന ഒരു സിനിമയിലാണ് വിശാൽ പറയുന്നു. It may not be Diwar. Okay. Amitabh Bachchan cinema. ചുമ്മാ ഒരു അടിയടിച്ചാന്ന് തോന്നുന്നു. Sholay ആണെന്ന് വേറൊരാൾ പറയുന്നു. It's not Sholay also. Okay, Sholay അല്ല. And Coolie ആണെന്ന് അഭിനവ് പറഞ്ഞു. Yes, which of these pictures is from Coolie? Coolie ഏതാണ്? ഏത് പടമാണ്? Second one is Coolie. So that's right. Congratulations, Abhinav. Second one, central picture is Coolie. കാരണം അറിയാം ഒരു ചുവന്ന എന്താണ് തോർത്തൊക്കെ ധരിച്ചുകൊണ്ടാണ് ബെൽറ്റ് ഒക്കെ ചുവന്ന ഡ്രസ് ഒക്കെ ധരിച്ചിരിക്കുന്നത്. So this is Coolie. So this is Bachchan and Coolie. And what is to the left side? What is to the right side? ചിലവർ റൈറ്റ് സൈഡിലുള്ള സിനിമകളെ നിങ്ങൾ കണ്ടിട്ടുണ്ടാവും. 90കളിലൊക്കെ ഉള്ള നിങ്ങൾക്ക് 90കളിലുള്ള ആൾക്കാരൊന്നും എനിക്കറിയാം. And the left side, ഏറ്റവും left side it is coming from good old movies. movies. കണ്ടാലറിയാം ചെറുപ്പത്തിൽ വളരെ ചെറുപ്പത്തിലുള്ള ഒരു മൂവിയാണ്. So there are 3 movies which are all from Bachchan's characters. അതിനകത്തുള്ള characters ആണ് ഞാൻ കാണിച്ചിരിക്കുന്നത്. സൂര്യവംശിയല്ല. And Abhi Krishan told this is from Sanjeev. Very good. Left one is Sanjeev. Congratulations, Abhi Krishan. Congratulations. That's one. That's very good. Congratulations, Abhi Krishan, for his wonderful finding. തീർച്ചയായിട്ടും സിനിമ ഒരിക്കലും കണ്ടിട്ടുള്ള ആൾക്കാർ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഈ ക്യാരക്ടേഴ്സിനൊക്കെ അറിയാൻ പറ്റും. പോലീസ് ഓഫീസറായിട്ട് അധികമൊന്നും അമിതാഭ് ബച്ചൻ അഭിനയിക്കാറില്ല. ബട്ട് സ്റ്റിൽ പോലീസ് ഓഫീസറായിട്ട് അഭിനയിച്ചിരിക്കുന്ന അതാണ്. ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് ഫ്രം സഞ്ജീർ. Second one is Coolie, and third one is from third one, the right one is from Shahanshah. Okay, Shahanshah എന്ന് പറയുന്ന സിനിമ. So സഞ്ജീർ, Coolie and Shahanshah ഇങ്ങനെ ബച്ചനെ 3 സിനിമകളെ ഞാൻ കാണിച്ചു. ഞാൻ എന്തുകൊണ്ടാണ് ബച്ചനെ കാണിച്ചതെന്നുള്ള അതാണ്. ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് മോർ ഇമ്പോർട്ടൻറ്റ് ദാൻ ദ പിക്ചേഴ്സ് ഓഫ് ബച്ചൻ. ബച്ചന്റെ പിക്ചറിനേക്കാൾ വളരെ പ്രധാനപ്പെട്ട ഒരു കാര്യം ബച്ചനെ എന്തുകൊണ്ട് കാണിച്ചു എന്നുള്ളതാണ്. ബിക്കോസ് he is still considered as the icon of excellence in Indian film industry. ഇന്നും ഇന്ത്യൻ ഫിലിം ഇൻഡസ്ട്രിയിൽ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഒരുപക്ഷെ കാണാൻ സാധിക്കും. എപ്പോൾ എവിടെ നോക്കി കഴിഞ്ഞാലും ബച്ചൻ is the one person who is glittering and who is in the glamour, who is in always shining. So he is the person who is considered as a legend in Indian film industry, and with the iconic performance in the film industry. പക്ഷെ എനിക്ക് പലപ്പോഴും ABCD പല ഫിലിംസും ഒക്കെ പലപ്പോഴും അദ്ദേഹത്തിന് ഫെയിലിയേഴ്സ് ഒക്കെ ഉണ്ടായിട്ടുണ്ട്. ലോട്ട് ഓഫ് crisis has gone undergone, but again he came back. One when I thought for the അതുപോലുള്ള പ്രോഗ്രാംസ് അത് കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് പിന്നെ again films coming back, so started rolling back again to this to the performance എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ അതുപോലെ ഒത്തിരി സ്റ്റാർസ് ഉണ്ട്. I'm not talking about maybe Bachchan, maybe Mohanlal, maybe anybody else, even Toyota. Performance is very important. So what I'm talking is your performance is very, very important. നിങ്ങളുടെ performance ആണ് number 1. So quality means how do you perform? Product ആകാം, individuals ആകാം, service ആകാം. So a doctor is performing cardiac surgery. You know a person, ഇന്ത്യയിലെ കേരളത്തിലൊക്കെ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ കേരളത്തില് നമ്മുടെ ഫേമസ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള ലിസി ഹോസ്പിറ്റലിലുള്ള കാർഡിയക് സർജൻ ഉണ്ട്, പെരിയപ്പുറം. He is doing maximum of 2 or 3 surgeries in a day. ഒരു ദിവസം 2 ഹാർട്ട് സർജറി ചെയ്യുന്ന ആൾക്കാർ. You take the case of Dr. Devi Shetty. Devi Shettyയുടെ കേസ് ഡോക്ടർ നെറ്റിൽ അടിച്ചോളാം. The legend, what a performance, doing say not less than 30 cardiac surgeries in a single day. Unbelievable. 30 ചുമ്മാ സർജറി അല്ല, കാർഡിയക് സർജറീസ് ആണ്. വെറുതെ നമ്മളെ കൈ കാലം മുറിക്കുന്ന സാധനമല്ല. It's not a play, it's not a gimmick. Unbelievable. Such a kind of performance. കോട്ടയത്തുള്ള ജയകുമാർ ഡോക്ടർ was also doing performing doctor. Medical college ആണെങ്കിൽ തന്നെ പല ആൾക്കാരും love to go to Kottayam Medical College to do this cardiac surgery. Cardiothoracic surgeons in the performance ആണ് വളരെ പ്രധാനപ്പെട്ട കാര്യം. Whether it is Jose Chacko Periyapuram or whether it is Jayakumar doctor from Kottayam Medical College or it is from the legend in the cardiac surgery, Devi Shetty. നിങ്ങള് ഡോക്ടർ ദേവി ഷെട്ടിയുടെ സ്റ്റോറി വേണമെങ്കിൽ എടുത്തു നോക്കാം. ഞാനത് കൂടുതൽ പറയുന്നത്. So what is important is number 1, quality means performance. Number 2, ഇതെന്താണെന്ന് നിങ്ങൾക്കൊന്ന് പറയാമോ? Can you tell me? Again, chat box is ready. ഈ കാണുന്നത് എന്താണെന്നൊന്ന് പറയാമോ? Hello, ladies and gentlemen, are you with me? If you are with me, can you tell me what is shown in the picture? Are you ready? It's a watch. Okay, it's a watch. Okay, ഇതൊരു വാച്ച് ആണെന്നാണ് പറയുന്നത്. ഓക്കെ, ആൾക്കാരെല്ലാം പറയുന്നു. So you need to write just W. വാച്ച് ആണെങ്കിൽ W എന്ന് എഴുതിയാൽ മതി. വാച്ച് ആണെങ്കിൽ W എന്ന് എഴുതിയാൽ മതി. വേറെ എന്തെങ്കിലും ആണെങ്കിൽ വേറെ എന്തെങ്കിലും എഴുതിയാൽ മതി. ഓക്കെ, so people are with me. എന്റെ കൂടെ ഉണ്ടെന്ന് തോന്നുന്നു. It's a watch എന്നാണ് പല ആൾക്കാരും പറയുന്നത്. ഓക്കെ, it's a watch എന്നാണ് പറയുന്നത്. It's a watch. Time manager. Oh yes, that's a good thing. Okay, time manager ആണ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. വാച്ച് ആണ് ടൈം മാനേജർ ആണെന്ന് പല ആൾക്കാരും പറയുന്നു. Very good. Very glad to. It's a branded watch എന്ന് പല ആൾക്കാർ. It's a branded watch. It's also a watch. Don't worry. ഇതൊരു വാച്ച് ആണോ എന്ന് ചോദിച്ചു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ഇതൊരു വാച്ച് ആണ്. It's not a watch. Watch means you look at something for you watch the time. അതിൻ്റെ അകത്ത് വേറൊരു പേര് എഴുതിയിട്ടുണ്ട്. സൂക്ഷിച്ച് നോക്കി കാണാൻ അറിയാം. It is a coaxial chronometer. Ajmal has written. Ajmal has written, it is a chronometer. It's a chronometer, it's not a watch. It's a watch, it's a chronometer. We call a watch when you tie or when you wear a watch from Titan or something. Watches, not a watch. Swiss made watches, they never call it as a watch. Our watch in the they call it as a chronometer or a chronograph. Chrono എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ തന്നെ സമയവുമായിട്ട് ബന്ധപ്പെട്ട ഒരു വാക്ക്. Chrono. Chronic. Okay, chronic. മുഴുവൻ സമയം. Chronic bachelor. Chronometer. Chronographs. Okay. Chronometers. So there you can see chrono means which is indicating time and lot of other things. സമയവുമായിട്ട് ബന്ധപ്പെട്ടുള്ള എല്ലാ കാര്യങ്ങളും ഉണ്ട്. You look at this Omega watch. Dollars, thousands of dollars വിലയുള്ള ഒരു സാധനം. So there you can see they never call it as a chronometer. Why? Because പഴയ ഒമേഗയുടെയും പഴയ വാച്ചുകൾ, പഴയ റോളക്സിന്റെ വാച്ചുകൾ എടുക്കാനുണ്ടെന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു പരസ്യം കിട്ടും. Rolex watches in heavy demand. All Rolex watches. All means still it is working. Remember, a Swiss-made watch will be working for minimum 500 years. 5 generation ഉപയോഗിക്കാൻ പറ്റും. It is fully automatic. It shows everything. എല്ലാം കാണിക്കുന്നുണ്ട്. ചില വാച്ചുകളിൽ എന്താ കാണിക്കുന്നത് ഒന്നും കാണിക്കാതില്ല, എല്ലാം കാണിക്കുന്നു. സമയം മാത്രമല്ല കാണിക്കുന്നത്, സെക്കൻഡുകൾ മാത്രമല്ല. There are a lot of watches, even സെക്കൻഡും സൂചികളും ഒന്നും ഇല്ലാത്ത തന്നെ വാച്ചുകൾ ഇപ്പോൾ ഇറങ്ങുന്നുണ്ട്. ഡിജിറ്റൽ വാച്ചുകളുണ്ട്, 6 മാസം കഴിഞ്ഞതിന് മുമ്പ് അത് പുറത്തേക്ക് എടുക്കും. So this kind of watches which are made by Switzerland companies or Swiss watches, they call it as chronometers because the life or the accuracy with which this watch is working is phenomenally unbelievable. ഭയങ്കര മിറക്കുലസ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള ഒരു സാധനം. ഇങ്ങനെ മിറക്കുലസ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള ഒരു സാധനം എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ പലപ്പോഴും നമ്മൾ ഉദ്ദേശിക്കേണ്ടത് ഇതാണ്. ഈ വാച്ച് 1 മാസോ 2 മാസോ 6 മാസോ 1 വർഷമോ 2 വർഷമോ അല്ല ഉപയോഗിക്കുന്നത്. You can rely it on the time for a number of years. 500 വർഷമായാലും വാച്ച് കൃത്യസമയം കാണും. നമ്മുടെ കയ്യിലിരിക്കുന്ന വാച്ചുകളൊക്കെ ആണെങ്കിൽ 6 മാസം കഴിയുമ്പോൾ ഒന്നുകിൽ മുമ്പോട്ടായിരിക്കും, പുറകോട്ടായിരിക്കും. കുറച്ച് കഴിയുമ്പോഴത്തേക്കും എന്താണ് ബാറ്ററി പിന്നെ ഇല്ല, അത് പോട്ടെ, ബാറ്ററി 6 മാസം ആവുന്നതിന് മുമ്പേ തന്നെ തീർന്നു. So these things are all unreliable in our cases. But this is a watch which you can rely on, or the product will not fail. അതാണ് അതിന്റെ പ്രശ്നം. നിങ്ങളടുത്ത് ക്ലാസ് എടുക്കാൻ പോകുന്നു, ഒരിടത്ത് ട്രെയിനിങ് എടുക്കാൻ പോകുന്നു, ഒരിടത്ത് നമ്മൾ ഒരു ഡോക്ടർ ഒരു സർജറി നടത്താൻ പോകുന്നു. The reliability rate is very very important. ഹാർട്ട് സർജറി നടത്തുമ്പോൾ എത്ര എണ്ണം ഫെയിൽ ആവുന്നുണ്ട്, എത്ര എയർലൈൻ സർവീസ് നടത്തുമ്പോൾ എത്ര എണ്ണം റോങ് ലാൻഡിംഗ് നടത്തുന്നുണ്ട്. It's a test for a pilot. A pilot is reliable if the landing is perfect or the takeoff is perfect. So wrong landings എത്ര എണ്ണം നടക്കുന്നു, റോങ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള കാര്യങ്ങൾ എത്രമാത്രം ചെയ്യുന്നു. യു ആർ എ ടീച്ചർ, എല്ലാ ക്ലാസ്സുകളും യു ആർ എ ബാറ്റ്സ്മാൻ, നല്ലൊരു ബാറ്റ്സ്മാൻ ആണ്, എല്ലാ ദിവസവും നമ്മൾ സെഞ്ചുറി അടിക്കുന്നുണ്ടോ, റിലയബിൾ ബാറ്റ്സ്മാൻ. പലരെയും കുറിച്ച് പറയുന്നതാണ്. സച്ചിൻ ടെണ്ടുൽക്കർ അത്ര റിലയബിൾ ഒന്നല്ല, ചിലപ്പോൾ 200-300 അടി, ചിലപ്പോൾ 0. But there are a lot of batsmen who are very reliable. എന്തായാലും 50 അടിക്കാതെ ഒരു ദിവസം പോലും പോകും. So these kind of things we call it as reliability, and this is a mark of quality, is a mark which indicates how often does the product or service fail. So this is second quality. Ladies and gentlemen, coming to this next one, get ready with your chat box. Okay, chat box ready ആയിരിക്കുക. ഇതെന്താണെന്ന് നിങ്ങൾ കാണുന്നുണ്ടോ? Can you tell me what it is? What is it? Boots. Okay. Yeah, boots. Good. Whose brand is this? Have you seen this brand? ഈ ബ്രാൻഡ് കണ്ടിട്ടുണ്ടോ? കണ്ടിട്ടുള്ള ആൾക്കാർക്ക് യെസ് എന്ന് അടിച്ചു. ഇഫ് യു ഹാവ് സീൻ യെസ്, വൈ എന്ന് അടിച്ചു. ഈ ബൂട്ട്സ് ഈ ബ്രാൻഡ് കണ്ടിട്ടുള്ള ആൾക്കാരൊക്കെ വൈ എന്ന് അടിച്ചു. അതർവൈസ് യു ക്യാൻ ടൈപ്പ് നോ, എൻ അടിച്ചാൽ മതി. ഈ ബൂട്ട്സ് കണ്ടിട്ടുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ വൈ അടിക്കുക, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ എക്സ് അടിക്കുക. കാണുന്നില്ല? യെസ്, മുഴുവൻ നോയാണ്. One second, hold on. Our power system is failure. Let me request our people to. Am I audible? Yeah, please. 3 to 4 years. That is what is they are telling. Vishal is telling it is 3 to 4 years durability. So there are a lot of people who have seen this brand. This is I have already written there and Dr. Martens are in the shoes the brand. The logo and the light set written it. It's 4 lines. ഒരു ലൈഫ് പീരീഡിൽ ഈ സാധനം നമുക്ക് അതിന്റെ ആ സ്റ്റഡിനെസ് ബൂട്ട്സ് കണ്ടാൽ നമുക്കറിയാം ഈ ബൂട്ട്സ് ഒരിക്കലും പോയല്ല അതിന്റെ സ്റ്റിച്ചിങ് നോക്കിക്കേ യു ലുക്ക് അറ്റ് സ്റ്റിച്ചിങ് ദർ നമ്മുടെയൊക്കെ ഷൂസ് സ്റ്റിച്ച് ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്ന പോലെയാണ് നോർമൽ ഷൂസ് സ്റ്റിച്ച് ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്നത് ഇറ്റ്സ് എ ലൈഫ് ലോങ് അഡ്വഞ്ചർ ആരോ എഴുതിയിട്ടുണ്ട് അല്ലെ മനു ഫ്രാൻസിസ് റിട്ടൺ ഈ പ്രോഡക്റ്റ് വാങ്ങിച്ചു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ യു ക്യാൻ സി പവർ ഹാസ് കം ഓക്കെ താങ്ക് യു സോ ഈ പ്രോഡക്റ്റ് കണ്ടു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് കാണാൻ സാധിക്കും സോ യു ക്യാൻ സി ദിസ് ഇസ് ഫോർ ലൈഫ് ഇറ്റ്സ് എ ലൈഫ് ലോങ് അഡ്വഞ്ചർ. There are a lot of people who purchase even Woodlands. Woodlands single purchase now. So you must have seen Woodlands. Woodlands purchase it will you will use it minimum. Minimum 10 years. It's like a lifelong. It's a kind of a journey which is never ending anything. So here again it's a Dr. Martens is claim it's for life. You purchase these boots. These boots are so anyway, this is a kind of thing which is offered, a product which is offered by Dr. Martens. Dr. Martens boot is for lifelong. It is for the entire life. See the credibility, see the durability of the product. Toyota വാങ്ങിച്ചു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ നമ്മൾ 10-12 വർഷം ഉപയോഗിക്കാവുന്നതാണ്. ചില വണ്ടികൾ ഉപയോഗിക്കാതെ മാറ്റി 2 വർഷം കഴിയുമ്പോഴത്തേക്ക് നമ്മൾ 4 വർഷം കഴിയുമ്പോഴത്തേക്ക് വണ്ടിക്ക് പല പ്രശ്നങ്ങളാണ്. So here you can see how long does the product or service last. So that is the kind of thing which is coming here. Okay. So that is the kind of thing which is coming here. So here say durability is very, very important. Now going to the next slide. Get your chat box again ready. So friends, get your chat box ready. Can you see this? Yes. So if you can see this, what is the specialty of this brand? This brand in the This brand is Maruti, and this brand is the Maruti 800 brand. I'm telling you. And what is the specialty of this brand or this car? This car number number is DIA 6479. This is the car. This is a car. Maruti car Maruti 800. This is 800 Maruti 800. What is the specialty of this Maruti 800? The number DIA 6479. This is the resale quality. Okay. And somebody told it is first Indian made Maruti. Anyway, I congratulate a few people. Joel has written, I think, Mr. Adarsh has written, Adarsh Shaji has written, whether it is yes, it is India's first Maruti's made car, first 800. Okay. It is again that old and well recognized brand, durability, good mileage. There are a lot of things from Indian made. First car made by Maruti Sol, Maruti Adimite car Asia, And first made Indian Maruti car on Amal Matthew Moreno. Abhinav is also telling first luxury car on Moreno. Oh my God, it's a Japan made. Covers almost 8 of all these dimensions. എന്നൊക്കെയാണ് ഇവർ പറയുന്നത്. ഇതില്ലാതെ ഒത്തിരി ഡയമെൻഷനും നമ്മൾ പറയുന്നത്. ഈ 8 ഡയമെൻഷൻസിൽ ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞ ഡയമെൻഷൻ എല്ലാ ഡയമെൻഷനും ഡ്യൂറബിലിറ്റി ഒന്നും ഈ കാറിനില്ല. But I will tell you, this is of the Joby John has told. Joby, all those people who marked that this is the first Indian Maruti 800. ലോകത്ത് ആദ്യമായിട്ട് മാരുതി 800 ഉണ്ടാക്കിയത്, ഫസ്റ്റ് മാരുതി 800 which was made by Maruti Udyog Limited. Maruti, not Maruti Udyog, Maruti Suzuki. Earlier it was Maruti Suzuki, now it is Maruti Udyog Limited. Maruti Suzuki എന്ന് പറയുന്ന ഇന്ത്യൻ കമ്പനി ഉണ്ടാക്കിയ ആദ്യത്തെ മാരുതിയുടെ മാരുതി 800 കാറാണ് ഈ കാണുന്ന കാർ. DIA 647 എന്ന് പറയുന്ന കാറ്. So this is the first ever sold Maruti 800 in India. It was launched in 83 എന്നാണ് അമൽ പറയുന്നത്. It's very good. That's good. Okay, so that's good. Okay, fine. This is the first sold Maruti 800. Delhiiലുള്ള ഹർപാൽ സിംഗ് എന്ന് പറയുന്ന ഒരാളാണ് ആദ്യം വാങ്ങിച്ചത്. And now you have seen, നിങ്ങൾ കണ്ടു കാണാം ഇപ്പോഴത്തെ കണ്ടീഷൻ ആണ് കേട്ടത്. This is not all condition. Right now, again, still this Maruti 800 is still in this wonderful condition. ഇതാണ് അതിന്റെ പ്രത്യേകത. നിങ്ങൾ ആലോചിക്കുക, 1983 ഉണ്ടാക്കിയ മാരുതിയുടെ ആദ്യത്തെ കാറിന്റെ ഇപ്പോഴത്തെ അവസ്ഥയാണ് ഇപ്പൊ ഈ കാണുന്ന അവസ്ഥയിലാണ് അത് ഇപ്പൊ ഇരിക്കുന്നത്. റിപ്പയർ ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്, നല്ല ടയറൊക്കെ ഇട്ടിട്ടുണ്ട്, പെയിന്റ് അടിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ടാവും. ബട്ട് സ്റ്റിൽ see how far this is repairable എന്നുള്ളതിന്റെ ചോദ്യം. Or you can see the one of the most important qualities associated with this Maruti is this serviceability. ഏത് ജംഗ്ഷനിൽ ചെന്നാലും നമുക്ക് കാണാൻ സാധിക്കും മാരുതി എണ്ണൂറിന്റെ ഒരു വർക്ക്ഷോപ്പ്. ഭയങ്കര സർവീസബിലിറ്റി. ബെൻസിലെങ്ങാനും കയറിപ്പോയാൽ എന്തെങ്കിലും ഒരു ഒറ്റ കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ഒരിടത്തും സർവീസ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റില്ല. യു ഹാവ് ടു ഗോ ടു ദി ഷോറൂം. Or even you have to take your Toyota. You cannot take your Toyota or Honda. I know I'm using a Honda vehicle, and you have to take it to either Kottayam or to Ernakulam or to some other service station, either to Moattura. Where are you? So this Maruti, so Vishal is telling my father's Maruti is in 1998%. They have sold it to another person. Now it is in good condition. Very good. Okay. This is serviceable. This is bhayangara serviceability. Serviceability is wonderful. Ever either practical Maruti will take care of. The serviceability is very important. So how easy to repair the product or how to solve the issues or solve the problems with the car. So this is what is the serviceability component of quality. Maruti serviceable ആണ്. ഒട്ടനവധി പ്രൊഡക്റ്റുകളുണ്ട് സർവീസബിൾ ആയിട്ടുള്ള പ്രൊഡക്റ്റുകൾ. There are a lot of other products which are serviceable, which can do easy repair everything. So this is the meaning of serviceability. Okay. Again, so this was sold to Harpal Singh. Where or three because you are all going to be MBA students. ലോകത്ത് കേരള ആദ്യമായിട്ട് വിറ്റ മാരുതി കാർ എവിടെയാണ് വിറ്റത്? ഡൽഹിയിലാണ് വിറ്റത്. And it was sold to Harpal Singh. Harpal Singh again sold to somebody else after a long 10-20 years. 10 വർഷം കഴിഞ്ഞപ്പോൾ അത് വിറ്റ് കഴിഞ്ഞു. അത് എന്നിട്ട് അത് റിപ്പയർ ചെയ്ത് ഇപ്പോൾ ഗുഡ് കണ്ടീഷനിലാണ്. ഓക്കെ. Now, aesthetics. You can see this picture. My question is this, ladies and gentlemen, get ready with your chat box again. My question is this, who is this person? ഇയാൾ ആരാണെന്നുള്ളതിന്റെ ക്ലൂ, ഹിന്റ് മറ്റൊന്നും നോക്കേണ്ട ആവശ്യമില്ല. ഈ ഇടതുവശത്ത് നിൽക്കുന്ന വലിയ ചിത്രങ്ങളിലെല്ലാം അതിന്റെ ശില്പിയാണ് ഈ കാണുന്നത്. The main architect of all these tallest buildings in the world, considered to be very tall buildings. You can see the Petronas Twin Tower of Kuala Lumpur Petronas Twin Tower കാണാൻ സാധിക്കും. എന്റെ വാട്സാപ്പിന്റെ DP Petronas Twin Tower മുമ്പിൽ നിൽക്കുന്ന അതാണ്. So you can see Petronas Twin Tower is in Malaysia. It is in Kuala Lumpur. So you can see the person, the chief architect of this person. Can you tell me who is this? ആരാണെന്ന് പറയാമോ? The architect behind all these buildings, Salesforce building, ഒത്തിരി ബിൽഡിങ്സ് ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു. പൊക്കം കൂടിയ ബിൽഡിംഗ് ഉണ്ടാക്കുന്നതിലാണ് സ്പെഷ്യലിസ്റ്റ് ഇരിക്കുന്നത്. Are you with me, friends? Yes or no? ഒന്നും കേൾക്കുന്നില്ല. Yeah, very good. No idea. Very good. Okay, that's good answer. Okay. So people are telling, you are with me. Okay, fine. Very good. No idea. Okay, very good. So the name of the person who constructed the biggest, or the not biggest, the tallest buildings. ലോകത്തുള്ള എല്ലാ പൊക്കം കൂടിയ ബിൽഡിങ്ങുകളും, including the Petronas Twin Tower in Kuala Lumpur, they are all, this is the person, the name of the person is Cesar Pelli. Cesar Pelli എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് അർജന്റീനക്കാരനാണ്. He is the person who designed the World Financial Center 1988. അയാൾ ഒരു ജൈത്രയാണ്. It's located in Battery Park, New York. ന്യൂയോർക്കിലാണ്. ന്യൂയോർക്കിലുള്ള ആ ഒരു ഇതാണ്. So you can see this person designed the whole kind of big, tall, palatial buildings. Big buildings. He designed the Kuala Lumpur City Center, and this award-winning achievements are. So that you can. This is the name of the person is Cesar Pelli. I think G.B. Thomas gave an answer. Okay, this is Cesar Pelli. ഞാൻ ഈ പടം കാണിച്ചത് മറ്റൊന്നും വേണ്ടിയല്ല. It's the beauty of the building. ചില പ്രൊഡക്റ്റുകളും ചില കാര്യങ്ങളിലും ക്വാളിറ്റി എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ ഒരിക്കലെങ്കിലും നമ്മൾ നോക്കും ബ്യൂട്ടി ഓഫ് ദ ബിൽഡിംഗ്. അതിന്റെ ഒരു മനോഹാരിത, അതിന്റെ ഒരു ആസ്വാദകത്വം, അതിന്റെ ഒരു വശ്യത, അതിന്റെ ഒരു സൗന്ദര്യം തീർച്ചയായിട്ടും ഈ ബിൽഡിങ്ങളെ കാണുമ്പോൾ കണ്ടു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ആൾക്കാർക്ക് ഒന്ന് പ്രണയിക്കാൻ തോന്നും. അപ്പൊ അങ്ങനെ അത്രമാത്രം വശ്യസുന്ദരമായിട്ടുള്ള ഒരു കുറേയേറെ ബിൽഡിങ്ങൾ, പവർഫുൾ ആയിട്ടുള്ള, ടോളസ്റ്റ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള ബിൽഡിങ്സ്. So the buildings, the architectural beauty. So there you can see Cesar Pelli is the person. The Argentinian architect is the person who is behind all these tallest buildings. So the aesthetics is again one of the aspects of quality. ചിലതിനെങ്കിലും വലിയ സൗന്ദര്യ ശാസ്ത്രമുണ്ട്. തീർച്ചയായിട്ടും നമ്മൾ പല കടകളിൽ നിന്ന് ചില ഐറ്റംസ് വാങ്ങിക്കും, ഗിഫ്റ്റ് കൊടുക്കാൻ വേണ്ടി സാധനം വാങ്ങിക്കാം. സൗന്ദര്യ ശാസ്ത്രത്തിന് വലിയ കാര്യമുണ്ട്. എസ്തെറ്റിക്സ്, ദ ബ്യൂട്ടി, ദ ഫീലിംഗ് എത്രമാത്രമുണ്ട്. ടേസ്റ്റ് ഓഫ് ദ ഫുഡ്, കാണാൻ നല്ലതാണോ? ചില സമയത്ത് ഐസ്ക്രീം ഉണ്ടാക്കി വെച്ച് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ കണ്ടു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ, സോ യു ക്യാൻ സീ സാലഡ് ഈസ് ഹൗ ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് സെർവ്ഡ് ഇൻ certain hotels. കണ്ടു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ഒരു ബ്യൂട്ടിഫുൾ ആയിട്ട് ഒരു ഫ്ലവർ ആണെന്ന് തോന്നും. സോ യു ക്യാൻ സീ ഹൗ വെൽ ബ്യൂട്ടിഫുൾ യു ആർ മേക്കിംഗ് ഇറ്റ്. സോ ദിസ് ഈസ് എ ചില കാറുകൾ നമ്മൾ നോക്കും, കാറുകൾ വാങ്ങിക്കുമ്പോൾ ഷേപ്പ് ഇല്ലാന്ന് പറയും. So there are a lot of things so like this. So that is, in certain aspect, quality means beauty of the product or aesthetic beauty also. Okay, maybe look or smell or sound or feelings, etc. So that's related to product. What does a product or service look, smell, sound, feel like, etc. So this is aesthetic. So friends, again, get ready with your chat box once again. Okay, get ready with your chat box again. Okay, now there are 3 famous brands. Logos I have shown. Can't logos again. Parayamo. It's a simple question. The logos are again. Parayamo. Chat box. Okay. Apple. Good. Microsoft. Good. Again Microsoft. Google. Windows. Very good. You are all. You know this thing. Maybe. Okay. Fine. Very good. And I have set this thing in a fashion. ആദ്യം ആപ്പിളും, രണ്ടാമത് ഗൂഗിളും, മൂന്നാമത് മൈക്രോസോഫ്റ്റ് ആണ്. നമ്പർ 1 ആപ്പിൾ, സെക്കൻഡ് 1 ഗൂഗിൾ, തേർഡ് 1 മൈക്രോസോഫ്റ്റ്. ഇതിനെന്തെങ്കിലും പ്രത്യേകത ഉണ്ടോ? Can you identify, is there any difference? Are they in some ranking or somewhere? ഒന്നാമതായിട്ട് ആപ്പിളും, രണ്ടാമതായിട്ട് ഗൂഗിളും, മൂന്നാമതായിട്ട് മൈക്രോസോഫ്റ്റും. അങ്ങനെ എന്തെങ്കിലും ഒരു പ്രത്യേക ശ്രേണിയോ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ പ്രത്യേകമായിട്ടുള്ള രീതിയിലുള്ള റാങ്കിങ് or any particular rank? Is there any ranking in any other parameter? Any parameter? എന്തെങ്കിലും ഒരു ക്രൈറ്റീരിയ വെച്ച് മെഷർ ചെയ്തപ്പോൾ ആപ്പിൾ ഒന്നാമതും ഗൂഗിൾ രണ്ടാമതും മൈക്രോസോഫ്റ്റ് മൂന്നാമതുമായിട്ട് വന്നിട്ടുണ്ടോ? ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ എന്താണെന്ന് നിങ്ങൾ ചോദിക്കാം, നിങ്ങൾക്ക് മാർക്ക് ചെയ്യാം. Which is the yardstick or which is the criteria whereby these people, yes, Davis Wilson marked there one thing. Okay, പറഞ്ഞിരിക്കുന്നു yes, it is in brand value എന്നാണ് അദ്ദേഹം പറഞ്ഞിരിക്കുന്നത്. കൊള്ളാം. Amal Matthew has come, brand value. Altaf has come, it is again brand value. Krishnaveni has come, it is again brand value. Yeah, absolutely right, ladies and gentlemen, friends. I am very much proud of those people who wrote brand value. 2019 brand values എടുത്തു നോക്കാം. 2019 ഫോർബ്സ് മാഗസിൻ, ഫോർബ്സ് ആണ് ഇതിന്റെ ഏറ്റവും വലിയ മോസ്റ്റ് വാല്യൂഡ് കമ്പനീസ് പൂർണ്ണിമ പറഞ്ഞിരിക്കുന്നത്. വെരി ഗുഡ്. ലോകത്തിലെ ഏറ്റവും കൂടുതൽ വാല്യൂബിൾ ആയിട്ടുള്ള കമ്പനീസ് ആണ്. വെരി ഗുഡ്. തീർച്ചയായിട്ടും കൊള്ളാം. സെക്യൂരിറ്റിയിലും ഉണ്ട്, സെക്യൂരിറ്റിയിലും നല്ല ടോപ്പാണ്. സോ there you can see when we conducted Forbes magazine. Forbes magazine. These are the people who conduct this kind of brand equity surveys, brand value surveys. The total brand value surveys was done in 2019. 2019, these three companies came in first, second, third ranks. ഏറ്റവും കൂടുതൽ ബ്രാൻഡ് വാല്യൂ ഉള്ള ഒരു കമ്പനി ആപ്പിളാണ്. ഏറ്റവും വാല്യുബിൾ ആയിട്ടുള്ള സെക്കൻഡ് കമ്പനി ഗൂഗിളാണ്, ബ്രാൻഡ് വാല്യുബിൾ. And the third most valuable brand value company is Microsoft. You should know this, because this is for you all. As MBAs, you should know which is having the best value company brand, which is holding the golden brand of the whole world. ലോകത്തെ മികച്ച ബ്രാൻഡുകൾ ഏതൊക്കെയാണെന്ന് അറിയുമ്പോൾ ടോപ്പ് 10. Okay, I think a few background sounds. So there you can see these are the three brands which are coming in a line, top number 1, 3, etc. Top 3 among the GAFAM companies. GAFAM companies, have you heard about GAFAM companies? The criteria is brand values in 2019, and Forbes magazine, Forbes came out with this survey, and they published the survey, and they came out with the wonderful finding that these are the top 3 valuable companies in terms of brand equity and brand value. And if you don't know what is GAFAM എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ എന്താണെന്ന് അറിയാൻ പാടില്ലെങ്കിൽ മുകളിൽ നോക്കാം, ഏറ്റവും സ്ലൈഡിന്റെ മുകളിൽ നോക്കാം. GAFAM companies. GAFAM is considered to be അതിനെ നമ്മൾ പറയുന്നത് top 5 എന്ന് കേൾക്കും. Okay, big 5, top 5, big 5 എന്ന് പറയും. Big 5 companies, tech companies. Big 5 tech companies are known as GAFAM companies. GAFAM, nothing but Google, Apple, Facebook, Amazon, and Microsoft. GAFAM companies. GAFAM is the big five in the top in the tech companies. Big 5 tech companies. Suppose somebody is unmuted, please mute yourself. Participants, if anybody is unmuted, please mute yourself. Yeah, please. So fine. So this is a criteria. Top 3 companies which are coming. Why? Now the question is why. What is important is this thing. Why this is important? Why these 5 companies are considered with top 5 tech companies? GAFAM. So even the MBA should know GAFAM companies. GAFAM means Google, Apple, Facebook, Amazon, and Microsoft. Why these GAFAM companies? GAFAM companies, how these people became these top among the brand value, as well as Amazon in the top 10, Facebook in the top 10, ellarum top 10 companies, top 10 brand equity, top 10 brand value. So these companies are all coming in the top 10 brand among the brand value criteria. Okay. So how these people are coming? Adhirula answer in another slide later. I'll give you the answer. Okay. They have come up with some different, okay, quality of the service by doing service. Okay, very good. My question is this. This slide based on market capitalization, very good. Market capitalization is very good. It's a big company, top 10 companies, top big companies, market capitalization, giving the best. Okay. Quality products, very good. Quality products, okay. And if you can see this spoon, can you tell me who is manufacturing this spoon? Krishna, you can mark it on this chat box. Have you seen this? This spoon, there is a special type of spoon. This is not a simple spoon, but it's a spoon also used by people. You can also use it, no issue at all. But can you tell me which company is manufacturing this food? No idea. Very good. Venus is telling no idea. Good. ലോകത്തെ സ്പൂൺ മാനുഫാക്ചറിംഗ് കമ്പനികളിൽ നിങ്ങൾ തപ്പുന്ന ആൾക്കാരുണ്ടാവും അതിൻ്റെ അകത്ത്. സെർച്ച് ചെയ്ത് വേണമെങ്കിൽ കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാം. ഓക്കെ, യു ഹാവ് ഗോട്ട് എ സ്മാർട്ട് ഫോൺ വിത്ത് യു റൈറ്റ് നൗ. ഇറ്റ്സ് നോട്ട് ആമസോൺ. ആമസോൺ അല്ല. ആമസോൺ ഹാസ് ടേക്കൺ എ വെരി ഗുഡ് ഗസ്. ആമസോൺ ആണെന്ന് ഒരാൾ പറഞ്ഞു സ്പൂൺ മാനുഫാക്ചറിംഗ് അല്ലേ. ഇറ്റ്സ് നോട്ട് ആമസോൺ. Amazon is selling most of the products. Amazon is not manufacturing. As they have got local brands also still. And people are telling no idea. Sir, അറിയത്തില്ല എന്നാണ് പറയുന്നത്. സത്യം പറയുന്നു. Very good. Okay. It is an unbelievable thing. Again, I am going back to these slides. Okay. Features ആണ് ഞാനിവിടെ പറഞ്ഞിരുന്നത്. ക്വാളിറ്റിയുടെ ഒരു പരമമായിട്ടുള്ള അർത്ഥത്തിൽ യുവർ ഫീച്ചേഴ്സ്. ഈ സ്പൂൺ ഒത്തിരി ഫീച്ചേഴ്സ് ഉള്ള സ്പൂണാണ്. This spoon is manufactured by Apple എന്നാണ് ആരോ പറഞ്ഞിരിക്കുന്നത്. Qcom എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. Google ആണെന്ന് അൽത്താഫ് പറയുന്നത്. അൽത്താഫ്, what is the proof that this is from Google? എന്തെങ്കിലും proof ഉണ്ടോ? Google is, are they manufacturing this spoon? It's a guess. Okay, very good. Anyway, thanks for your guess. തീർച്ചയായിട്ടും I am telling you this is manufactured by Google. Google ആണ് ഇത് മാനുഫാക്ചർ ചെയ്തെന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു കഴിഞ്ഞപ്പോൾ ആൾക്കാരെല്ലാവരും ഞെട്ടിയിട്ടുണ്ടാവും. I was also literally shocked when I saw Google. നമ്മൾ ഗൂഗിളിന്റെ G Suite കയറി കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ഒരു 8 എണ്ണമൊക്കെ അതിൻ്റെ അകത്ത് കാണും. താഴോട്ട് സ്ക്രോൾ ചെയ്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ഒരു 60 എണ്ണം വരെ 60 featured products are there. Google. One of the products which are manufactured by Google is this spoon. This spoon ഉണ്ടാക്കും. Google chief executive officers as well as the directors of the company when somebody in the people or the press reporters asked, are you so what type of company is yours? And this see, Google's top officials, they told Larry Page and ours is not a search engine. Google or another search engine company. But they told it is a technology company. Google is a technology company. It is not a search engine company. Other search engine company. Why? Because they have got lot of such kind of products. It's not a search engine company. They have got technology for the driverless car. Google driven car is there. So they are into artificial intelligence. They are into high-end technology. It's only one of the 60 items which they are giving. 60 items on the Google Map is there, Google Chrome is there. So there you can see this is one of the products. This is one of the products. You believe it or not? They have got more than 60 products in line. Over 1 billion users for their 7 products. Google search engine will put 7. For the 7 products, they have got 1 billion users. And one product is this Google spoon. This is manufactured by one of their technical labs or their biological labs. A labs in the Lift Labs Lift Labs produce product this Google spoon. Spoon is very special because you know the problem with the Parkinson's disease affected people. Parkinson's disease എന്ന് പറയുന്ന സാധനം രോഗമാക്കി പിടിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ നമുക്ക് കാണാൻ സാധിക്കും. നമുക്കൊരു സ്പൂൺ എടുത്ത് ഒരു സ്പൂൺ ഷുഗർ എടുത്തിട്ട് നമുക്ക് ഗ്ലാസ്സിലേക്ക് ഇടാൻ പറ്റില്ല. Because your hands will be shivering. So when your hands are shivering, you cannot use a spoon or you cannot even use a writer with using a pen. And Google came out with an artificial quick, fast responding spoon, where this biotech company developed a spoon designed to make the life of Parkinson's people easier. അവരുടെ വിവരക്കനുസരിച്ച് റെസ്പോണ്ട് ചെയ്യുന്ന ഒരു സ്പൂൺ. സപ്പോസ് യുവർ ഹാൻഡ് ഈസ് ഷിവറിംഗ്, അതിനനുസരിച്ച് റെസ്പോണ്ട് ചെയ്യുന്ന ഒരു സ്പൂൺ. Such a magnificent invention, a high-tech kind of thing. So there you can see the features. Now I am coming to the point. These 3 companies, they became top 3 companies in terms of brand value just because of one reason: the unlimited features they are offering. Top 10 companies ഏത് വേണമെങ്കിലും എടുത്തു. Amazon ആകാം, Facebook ആകാം, Google Apple iPhone so you can see you need not explain about Apple iPhone, and Apple iPhone is the one thing which is really the innovator of the millennium that you can, I'm sure, for sure. So Apple iPhone is the company Apple is the company which is innovating every month, every 2 months, every 3 months. So there is this kind of additional features of the company. N number of features. So features, they are one of the best examples for quality. Coming to the next slide, ladies and gentlemen, get ready with your PowerPoint and sorry, with your chat box. Chat box, വീണ്ടും നമ്മൾ എഴുതുക. ഇതൊരു അമ്പലമാണ്. ഈ അമ്പലം ഏതാണെന്ന് പറയാം. Chat box is ready. Friends, your chat box is ready. This is not Palani or Meenakshi temple. This is a temple. This is a Balaji temple. And no idea. This is not Palani. This is not Palani. Okay. No idea. A lot of chats are coming. And Purnima has got a guess of Tirupati. Okay, fine. No idea. I have given a clue there. I have given a clue there at the top. I have given a clue there. I have written there Balaji temple. Okay, Balaji temple is a Balaji temple. Where is the place? That is the question. It has written. I have given two clues. One is Visa. Second one is Balaji. Clue is Balaji near Hyderabad. Sneha Joji has written it near Hyderabad. Okay. Hyderabad is the place. Krishnamani has written. Visakhapatnam is the place where that's the Ajmal has written. Tamil Nadu. A lot of answers are coming. So can you tell me it's in Andhra? Good, very good. Purnima has again come out with an answer. Chilkur. Okay, very good. Chilkur is one answer. Andhra is another answer. Hyderabad is another answer. Okay, good. Tirumala is another answer. Very good. A lot of guesses are coming. Madurai, a lot of guesses are coming. Anyway, I should congratulate Purnima for her wonderful answer. Chilkur is the exact place where this temple is there. If you don't know the story of the temple, you must you must search for this temple. Visa Balaji temple or Chilkur Balaji temple. This is near Hyderabad. This is situated in a place called Chilkur. It's near Hyderabad. It is near Osmania University of Hyderabad. So there you can see this place is very famous right now because of the reputation. What reputation it has gained years back when a few software engineers went to this Balaji temple, Chilkur Balaji temple. 6 of the software engineers went to this Balaji temple. Their prayers were like this. They were software engineers very eager to go to United States of America. US visa no apply. So they failed. So they prayed to the Bhagwan, to the Balaji, to the Tirupati, sorry, not this Chilkur Balaji. We should get the visa stamped immediately. So they had a Shayana Pradeshan there. So this after the 2-3 projections, they went back. What a miracle. So those 6 people spread the news about this Chilkur Balaji temple, and this temple became a place where a lot of believers, they started coming for visa alone. Visa Chilkur Balaji temple. So the Balaji there became a specialist in visa, and later now the name is Visa Balaji temple, not Chilkur Balaji temple. That is the game. The game has now changed. The game has changed right now to Visa Balaji temple, not the Chilkur Balaji temple. but it has changed to Visa Balaji. So such a kind of a twist there also. Now there are 75,000 people coming every day. For those who know, especially American visa, US visa especially. So such a kind of fun is there, but still it is serious also. I'm not talking about, say, no, I'm not joking. I'm talking in a very serious way. This is a place where we can also go for, if you don't get a US visa. Immediately the visa will be started. So that's a kind of reputation for this service or the product. So one aspect of perceived quality is the reputation, your reputation. Marian International Institute of Management, Marian College, reputed. IIT Madras, reputed. And Loyola College Madras, reputed. So this kind of thing. So there you can see Stella Maris. So you can see Delhi, JNU, okay, reputation. So there you can see reputation of the service or product is directly linked with the perceived quality. The perceived quality comes when you have got a very good reputation. Thank you everybody for this, for the Chilkur Balaji experience. So please, again, you can have a lot of things to say. One more thing is Chilkur Balaji. Okay, Chilkur Balaji temple has got a perception, a higher level of reputation in giving you US visas. Okay, come on. So get ready, friends, again with your chat box. Chat box. So the question is, I have given a big heading, conformance to standards. Picture shown here is Air India. This was taken from the last few 2 weeks back, sorry, 1 month back. A picture which came in Times of India. That is the news. The news is that Air India is still hiring. There is no requirement because it's going to be down there. Do you agree or not? Air India is a company where you can tell conformance to standards is better there. Conformance to standards is happening there. If you agree, you can press yes. If you don't agree, you can press no. No? You need not press much. If you agree, you can press yes. If you don't agree, you can press no. Lot of no's are coming. There are people who are coming with yes also. Conformance to standards. What standards? And you have to ask. Okay. So very good. I just want to know, are you with me? That's why I'm asking this no. Okay. So again. So people are all with me. I have seen only 20, other 50 I think still with me. Okay. So there is a lot of people. M is also coming instead of N. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. Very good. Very good. Very good. Okay. Conformance to standard. Why I put this logo, the picture of Air India itself? Damn it, the airline with a very poor service. We are not proud of Air India. This must have been closed in a much more say year earlier time. Still pushing, the government is pushing this public sector just because of the money which is given by the government of India and various other sectors, other government sectors. Ever running in loss, not at all making profit. Lot of problems from the employees, lot of problems from the technicians, lot of problems from the stewards there, from the air hostess. Lot of issues are there, modern issues are complete issues. And they cannot solve it or they cannot sort it out. And the service which they provide, one of the poorest service in the globe. So this is a personal opinion. Then I enter a personal opinion because I have got a lot of experience from Air India. Once in the say not early morning, but say it was around 1 o'clock. You can say it is early morning. The flight was scheduled at 11 in the night. I was there by 9:30, 10. 11 മണിക്ക് ഫ്ലൈറ്റിൽ കയറാവുന്നത് 1.5 മണിക്കൂർ ലോക്കലാണല്ലോ. So I was flying from Mumbai to Kochi. So I was there, report ചെയ്തു, കുഴപ്പമൊന്നുമില്ല. So then only I came to know that the flight is delayed by 1 hour, which means from 11 it will go up to 12. So I was waiting there. So people were waiting there. Where I was alone. So there so it was a flight coming from Abu Dhabi, then say landing at Mumbai, then coming to Kochi. So that's the kind of thing. So a midnight flight looked cheaper, so that's why I went for this. Okay, Rathri flight flight. So by the time it is 11 and 11:30, so you can see then the next the thing came, nothing but the flight is delayed by another 1 hour. It is not 2 minutes or 3 minutes, but it is 2 hours. You go to Japan, you will see people will fire you. My friend who is working with Japan or the Japanese companies, he has told me like this. The metro train was late by 2 minutes, not 3 hours or 2 hours, not 2 hours. So here you can see metro train was late by 2 minutes. Then by the time the people waiting there, the passengers waiting there went to this test master and complained. There 1,000 people are waiting here. You are wasting 2,000 minutes. So remember, so this is a kind of attitude coming from Japanese people. There, if a flight is at 11 means it will be at 11. If the train is at 11 means it will be at 11. Not 2 minutes late. They will not tolerate that. But here, a flight is delayed by 2 hours. By the time you would have reached here, so then say the whole thing got over. Okay, 1:30 the flight took, and it was in a takeoff mode. So then I felt if you have traveled in airplane, you can see the passenger the lines, especially in the normal passenger, all the seats are all a little bit congested. Otherwise, you have to go to business class. Economic class, when you are traveling in economic class, normal economic class, you can see you have to adjust yourself. Especially when you are tall, it is a bit difficult. So I thought there are a few seats vacant in front of me. I'll sit there. Where there are 2 emergency windows and emergency windows. So the emergency windows are all at the cost of the gap or so. So in case of emergency, people should go out. So there, one row is cut. Now that other row is in lab. You can sit in a lavish way. And remember, I moved to there. So I moved to there. I sat there. Just after 5 minutes, the air hostess came. The air hostess told me, you cannot sit there. So how many passengers are there? Here, that's none of your business. Here, there are only 18 passengers. 300 പേര് പോകുന്ന aeroplane ആണ്. 18 പേരേ ഉള്ളൂ. ആരും കേട്ടില്ല. You cannot sit there. You have got a seat number. You cannot sit there. So that is one service which I got. By the time it took off, plane took off, everybody on the way, and I was under and the sandwich, she brought a sandwich. Adi bigramai sandwich. So a thing which is not needed right then. The pack you can give us a gift pack when you are going out. Otherwise, no, there is no need of such kind of things, especially when the passengers are all sleeping. That's what I told you. The kind of service which is provided is not up to the mark, or their standards are little bit poor. Conformance to standards. Standards standards conform. You are telling your flight will be taking at 11. Are you delivering what is promised? Delivering what is promised is conformance to service. Delivering what is promised is conformance to service. Ladies and gentlemen, this you should think. If you go to a shop, if you tell, I will give you this by 10 a.m., you should give, you must give. So this is what is called delivering the service by delivering what is promised. Delivering what is promised is conforms to standards. So friends, this is about the kind of thing. So when it comes to dimensions of quality service, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to stop here. If I can stop here, if you want to listen more or get more, you can press yes. You can press yes. Otherwise, I will stop here. Are you with me? You can press yes if I would like to continue 10 more minutes. 10 minutes continue. If you can press Y, then all okay, I will continue. Yeah, a lot of yes are coming, so obviously I'll go for 10 more minutes. Okay. When it comes to quality of service and the quality in the involved, you can see there are a bit different. Tangibles, reliability, responsiveness, assurance, empathy. These are all service quality dimensions. You should understand this. So there are 5 things. Reliability, I've already discussed. Okay. And see, tangibles, you know what it is. So we'll discuss a few things more related to this. Okay, fine, friends. This is what is called a tangible. So this is a typical bank platform. Bank platform counter. So this counter is especially State Bank of India counter. Photo. What I am asking is not the counter, but there are a lot of posters there, boards there. There are board you can say change your or you can get your checks then cash within 5 minutes. You will get the cash within 5 minutes. If you don't get it, you can approach the manager. You can avail a gold loan within 9 minutes. 10 minutes 9 minutes gold loan available. Gold you just go with the gold, you will get the gold loan within 10 minutes. And if you don't, these are all called tangibles. Bank service but these kind of posters, these kind of advertisements, these kind of list or other standees which are shown, the kind of pamphlets which are pasted there, posters which are shown there, they are all indicating these are the tangibles. These are all things which are all coming there, or this thing will be delivered. So this is what is called a tangible. Okay. So people where there are a lot of lightning and thunder can leave the meeting. There is one request for that also. Okay. We are filing. Okay. This is which is this brand, ladies and gentlemen. Can you do you know this brand? What is this? This is no. Yeah, Domino's. Okay, very good. Domino's is a pizza brand. You know, as you know, Domino's pizza is very famous. But Domino's pizza is very famous for one thing. Domino's pizza when they announced that the revolutionary announcement in the whole world of pizza world America pizza world pizza marketplace, you can see even the food market, the parcel service, then they came out with this revolutionary advertisement and revolutionary offer and an announcement which was made by Domino's Pizza. Our announcement is you order the pizza, you get a Swiggy packet, Swiggy bike in the parallel, I'll get a Swiggy in the brand. So pizza will be delivered, and if you don't get it within 30 minutes, or it is free. You place your order, count the minutes. Clock on order places right now the things have changed. Okay, that time was it was a wonderful, fabulous, or it was a kind of amazing offer, or a kind of shocking offer, unbelievable offer. You place the order, city level 30 minutes, you have got 30 minutes. We have got only 30 minutes. Count it. 30 minutes. So such a kind of responsiveness. How do you respond? Service is very important. Response. Government officer You just give us a mail. I'll challenge you. Marine International Management mail. The moment you will get in within 10 minutes or 5 minutes. So this is the kind of thing. So there you can see responding. How are you responding? The fast response is very important. So Domino's Pizza is a classic example for fast response in terms of service. You go there anywhere, service will come there, fast responsibility, fast service. After sales service, 24 hours, and within 24 hours will serve you. So this is what is called responsiveness. Okay. Now this is assurance or credibility and security to all especially insurance companies, banks, etc. Insurance companies like bank, okay, so there you can see is the kind of, there are a lot of packages. So this is number the insurance company, banking company, education is there, family, medical. You go to a hospital, doctor, and I think you have a credibility. You can see there are a lot of scenes where you can see kidney very automatic. So after the surgery, nothing will be left inside. Security. You are depositing your money in the bank. What is the security? You have the credibility or not? State Bank of India, they have told so that is what is called the assurance which is given by the companies. There are insurance companies are. I still remember the name, the film which was where this Mammootty appeared. What is that name? Emmanuel. Emmanuel. I think that's the name. Insurance company insurance insurance or I think that is a film. This is very bad service. Insurance claim so you should give an assurance. So we should give an assurance. Credibility and security is very important in terms of service, especially insurance, banking, medical service. Doctor is considered next to God, but if the credibility in a hospital is very bad, the service is very bad. Okay. So, friends, ladies and gentlemen, we go to the next slide. And can you tell me who is this? Question is to you all. Chat box ready. Chat box is ready. Are you with me? Who is this? Not working? No. Altaf is telling it is Rajiv Gandhi. Huh? Bean. Good. Robert Atkins can. So a lot of rare answers. So it's nobody, but it's Rajiv and it's Sonia Gandhi. And Rajiv Gandhi and Sonia Gandhi in their good old days, just after marriage, you can see that they came to this. This is nothing but what is that called? India Gate. Okay, India Gate. Sonia and Rajiv, just after the marriage, they are coming to India Gate. Rajiv is showing where is India Gate. He is taking her to various other places. So it's a very rare picture. Okay. So there's Sonia was taking Rajiv, or Rajiv was taking Sonia along with in this ambassador. So that ambassador car also you can see the white ambassador car. You can see ambassador car. Good old history you can see. So here you can see they are not standing as a prime minister. Prime minister what is the need is the quality ice cream fellow knows what is their need. So they are all they are loving couple. What is the need of a loving couple? Ice cream share sharing in between. So what the sweet ice cream is the one thing which is required right now. So that is what you have to understand the customers. Whether it is Sonia or Rajiv Gandhi, you have to understand the customers there. Okay. You know this? Can you tell me who is this? Ladies and gentlemen, the chat box is ready. Tell me, who is this? Oh, Sai teacher. Okay, good. Sweta miss. Okay, very good. Wonderful answers are coming. You know this teacher. This teacher has become famous. Her classes have become viral these days. Sai teacher is in Victory Channel. She has become wonderfully viral these days. She is very famous just because of one reason. No other reason. She understands the mind of the customer, the first standard students. The Sai Shweta, her name is Sai Shweta. Okay. Sai Shweta, Shweta means, or Sai Shweta. She is the person who is taking classes for first standard with the cat there. Pooche kaiyil kuchunda. Means, see, this is a kind of thing. Pooche maite ക്ലാസ്സുകൾ എടുക്കുന്ന ഒരു പക്ഷേ നമ്മൾ കണ്ടിട്ടുണ്ടാവും. So you should understand the customer, the person, the people who took or who are taking her class or who is receiving the class. ഒന്നാം സ്റ്റാൻഡേർഡിലുള്ള ആൾക്കാരാണ്. I have got only one chance to take a class to LKG when I was taking a small training years back. And then I knew how it is difficult to take a class for LKG people, for the kids there. You should be empathetic. You should step into their shoes to understand what is their level of thinking and what is their level of perception, and how do they perceive, and what is their standard. All these things you have to understand. That is what is called empathy. So in service, the most important thing is empathy. You should understand who are the person there in front of me. A hotel wala should understand the customers. Taj should understand their customers. Doctors should understand the patients. An advocate should understand his clients. So teachers should understand the students. So you can see empathy is one thing highly required for a service provider. So these are the qualities which I am telling. So there are a lot of quality different areas. You can see airline, healthcare, food service, everywhere you can see a lot of example. On time, comfortable, low cost, correct diagnosis in healthcare, good food, fast delivery, good environment, postal, academics, proper on-time delivery. Okay. So consumer products properly made, defect free. So military, rapid deployment, insurance, pay off on time, very important. Automotive, defect free. Okay, communication clear, faster, cheaper, etc. So is it clear or not? So these are all different qualities in service. Invest in quality. Quality is not an accident; it is a benchmark. Okay. So are you ready to spend for quality building? You should spend for quality building. Spend time. It is never an accident. It is a thing, and it's always a result of intelligent effort. If you're spending a lot of time for the quality, you will improve quality. Don't compromise on quality also. Fine. There is nothing called a freelance. Quality is not free also. Okay. So you have to spend. And what makes a quality individual? These are 6 factors which make quality individuals. I'm rushing through because of the lack of time. One is ability, build your own ability. Second one is achievements which you make, quality individual. Third one is how well you are able to propel in during adversity. How well you can propel in front in maybe how well you can progress in this adverse time. What is your attitude? Positive attitude. Simplicity. Are you simple? And what kind of creativity thinking in? Are you thinking in a different way? So these are all 6 categories where a total quality individual is made. So that is one. The funny thing about quality is that it can always be improved. Okay. And these are words from Jack Ma. Never give up. Today is hard. Tomorrow will be worse. But the day after tomorrow will be sunshine. Remember, COVID is not an issue. Quality is not allowed. You can make a lot of quality, and solve out with quality issues, everything. So thank you very much. So I'm stopping here. Thank you very much. Back to I can see everyone here. Any feedback? Hello.
Hello, sir.
Yes. Any feedback? No
Thank
feedback.
you, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you very much. So thanks a lot for your undivided attention. Again, we'll see tomorrow. Right? Thank you. So see you then by tomorrow 8:30.